next person.
Boss JB.
Yun. Tararariraran. Tarararararan. 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 Tigil yan. Hanggang di sasayaw. Tararariraran. Tararariraran. Tarararararan. Tarararararan. La. Okay.
Open it.
Thank you so much.
Wait. Listen to me first because I'm your kuya.
Yeah.
So you need to introduce yourself. Who is you? Wait!
Afternoon eh.
How old are you first?
Okay, kasama pa yun.
Tararariraran. Tarararararan. Tararariraran. Tarararararan.
43.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Yeah. I'm a liar ko yan.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm already 43 years old.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy.
Open first.
Yeah. Thank you for giving us the money.
Ay, wow.
Thank you so much.
And what do you do for a living?
Marami eating.
No English!
Many eating then long life. Thank you.
Okay, more.
More
And more.
and more.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Thank you.
Sayo mo na. Tararariraran. Tararariraran. Tarararararan. Tarararararan. Okay, next person.
Daddy.
No!
So yun po, mga kababayan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. So, si Daddy kasi po kanina, at saka si Ma'am Rochelle, wala po sila kanina. So, ako po ang tumanggap po nito. Yun. Ay!
Ang galing-galing ng host namin.
Tapos, ito po. Meron pa silang binigay na sobre.
Okay, ayusin mo ah.
Ito po. Para po sa team.
Oh.
May mga pangalan po ito. Yan.
Tarirariraran. Tarararan. Okay.
Ricky,
Ha? Ricky. Mr. Ricky.
are you sure?
Before we start,
Yeah.
listen please.
Yes, sir.
Before we open it and then before we start, please introduce your head.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Why very oily? Okay, introduce your forehead.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is me.
Okay, this is you.
How about you? I am Kuya Rizky, one of the pilot of Mr. Brewery. Are you sure this is me?
Yes, this is yours. Open it.
Let it open it. Wow,
Wow.
this is blue. Blue.
Okay, say thank you to Sir Amy and Sir Mario.
Ma'am Emily, Ma'am Emmy and Mario Palmer.
Yeah.
I know you're from far away.
Wala na, ako naman.
Yon, mga kababayan, mga kabarangay, kakarating lang ng Team Daddy Frankie. At ito, nadatnan ng team, itong maraming blessing. No? At ang nakatanggap nito, si Ate Feli. At ang nagpadala daw, si Ma'am Amy and Sir Mario. Honestly po, tumawag sila sa akin kanina. Medyo naghintay ako. Kaya lang, may pinuntahan kami kaagad kaya hindi ko na sila nahintay. Kaya ito, para mapasalamatan natin, gagawa natin ng short video. Pero syempre, bago tayo magsimula, papasalamat muna ako kay Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy. At alam ko, napakalaking blessing na naman. Talagang nag-effort pa sila, hindi talaga nila nakalimutan ang Team Daddy Frankie. At bukod doon, meron pa ang Reyes family. Bagamat napagod na talaga, so bukas na namin to dadalhin sa pamilya ni Teacher Sally. At nakausap nila si Ma'am Peli, binigay ni Ma'am Amy from Sir Mario, kaya tatawagin natin si Ma'am Peli. Ma'am Peli, please come. Ano ba sabi nila?
Ito nga, Daddy, sinabi nila na para sa team. Ito.
Oh.
Tapos yun sa Reyes family.
Oo.
So, tapos ito. Yan.
Ay, ikaw ang mag-host. Kasi ikaw nakausap nila, ikaw ang mag-host. Ayan. Let's welcome mga kababayan, mga kabarangay. Ang host natin ngayon ay pansamantala si Ma'am Peli. Ma'am Peli, magbigay galang ka naman sa ating mga tagapanood.
Ayan.
O tignan mo, ang landi oh. Ayaw. Ayan. Dito ka naman, tabihan mo si Mami Rochelle. Ayan. Ako'y makikinig lang. Di ba? Ayaw kunwari. Kasi
Hindi.
pagod ako maghapon mga kababayan. Sige, pagbigyan natin yung maganda nating host, Ma'am Peli. Palakpak naman yan. Okay.
So, yun po, mga kababayan, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. So, si Daddy kasi po kanina, at saka si Ma'am Rochelle, wala po sila kanina. So, ako po ang tumanggap po nito. Yun.
Ang galing-galing ng host namin.
Tapos, ito po. Meron po silang binigay na sobre.
Okay, ayusin mo ah.
Ito po. Para po sa team.
Oh.
May mga pangalan po ito.
Mm.
Yan. Ito kay Daddy.
Mm.
Yes. Kay Boss Tax.
Wait lang. Ibigay mo muna isa-isa. Ayan. Para makita ng sponsor.
Okay. Hindi ko naman alam sa rin.
Oo, bibigay mo sa isa-isa.
Yan muna. Sige, start mo na.
Ito kay Sam.
Kuya Sam, please come.
Kay Kuya Sam.
Oo hindi ka rito. Para makita ng sponsor mga kababayan na nakarating doon sa taong pagbibigyan. Dito ka tabi niyan. Yan.
Thank you so much.
Buksi. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Ate. Ha?
Hindi lang dollar.
Ha?
Ano ba? Eagles.
Ay, wow!
Thank you so much.
Papagurin nyo na naman ako para narinig ko na ito kahapon Parang ito na yung pampaano. Pero sige, bigyan na, please, introduce yourself.
Ayun, thank you so much po. Ako po si Kuya Sam.
Oo.
Sa team da.
In English daw?
In English.
How can you say thank you about you receiving money? English daw?
Can speak English.
No! You need!
Ano English ng ano? Salamat.
Thank you! Habaan mo!
Very thank you.
Thank you! Okay, no joke. We need to speak English because our sponsor is from very far away.
From Paraguay.
Very long distance. Yeah.
How many hours travel in
I don't know.
country?
How many hours travel in our
In the country.
I don't know.
Thank you so much. What's her name?
English ka.
Ma'am Emmy and
And?
Mario.
Say thank you to them.
Thank you, Ma'am Emmy.
Inutusan
Blessings.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Oh, dance. Okay?
Wait lang!
Hindi, English. That is not enough.
There's Homer.
There is not that. Sabihin mo, that is not enough. Kasi meron pa eh.
Yes, that is not enough, Sam. Yes, yeah, that's more.
There's more. Wow.
Yes,
There's more and more.
and more.
And many more.
Yes.
Okay. What are you talking about? There's many more.
This is for dessert and this for long life.
That's for Mongo.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
for Mongo.
Talk to Sir Mario.
Sir Mary, thank you for this one. Good for long life.
Okay. 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 Next person.
Kuya JC.
Ayun. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pangs. Okay. Oh, why?
Why are you looking at me?
Oh,
Baliktad, sorry. Baliktad.
don't give money when no speaking English, ah? Okay.
You hawak here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, what can you say about me?
You speak English.
Okay. Oh, Ma'am Mario and
Sorry.
Sir Mario and sorry? Hey, stop! Hey, come on! Hey, please stop.
Okay. Open it.
Mr. and Mario and Ma'am Annie,
Oo.
thank you very much. Oh, wait.
Ma'am Cordelia.
Thank you very much for many money.
Ayun. Ay, wow!
Wow!
1.5.
Thank you, madam, and
Your favorite,
sorry, hey, sorry, I'm kidding me, ha?
Ay, hindi, kay Ma'am Cordelia yung ano.
Salamat po, and very happy and now
Now,
because and
luha-luha na ako kaka-English. No, it's okay.
It's okay, okay.
It's okay. Tuloy.
So, ma'am,
Continue.
thank you and another one money and next another month. You have,
I am Eddie.
Why another month?
you have another many money. Sorry, I'm kidding me, huh?
And
Mom, thank you very much and super appreciate me because of her many money.
Your name?
I'm GC.
No. Code name.
pag-
Nakaihi na. Sabihin mo. Yeah! Okay.
Brutal, ah.
More blessing.
Oh my God. So many like. Many like, oh.
Oo.
Sharon.
Oh.
So very happy, oh.
Ano English? What is in English?
Many like.
No, English.
Chicharo.
No.
Many
No, not
like.
chicharon.
Many like.
No.
Kasi mamamatay ka.
English. What is in English? What is in English? Oh.
Naubo na tuloy.
Yes. What is in English?
Chicharo.
Pig. Anong pig? Pig prito. No.
Oy, so,
Di ba meron tayong fish cracker?
yes.
Pork cracker.
Pork cracker.
Thank you. Next person,
Thank you
please.
very much.
Chano.
Ay.
The small rock
Ayan.
Chano. Yes.
Thank you po.
No. Speak English.
pa rin.
Our sponsor is from very far away. Speaking dollar. That's why you need to speak English.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Hi ma'am, in a far away. Thank you for this money.
Oo.
Oh, so very big.
Can you open please?
Ang hirap pala mag-English talaga.
No, speak English.
May English is so hard.
It's okay. Wow.
Okay.
Thank you. Tararariraran. Tararariraran. Sa'yo na. Yeah. Tarararararan. tarirariraran, tarararararan, tarirariraran, tararararan. Okay, thank you so much. And there's more.
There's more.
Ah.
This is my favorite.
Yeah.
Do you know, ma'am, what is red horse in the Philippines? This is very partner. This is I want.
And more. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Next person.
Kuya Risky.
Ay, ay. Tarirariraran. Tararariraran. Rarirariraran. Tarirariraran. Tararan. Okay.
Ricky,
Huh? Ricky. Mr. Ricky.
are you sure?
Before we start,
Yeah.
listen please.
Yes, sir.
Before we open it and then before we start, please introduce your head.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Why very oily? Okay, introduce your forehead.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is me.
Okay, this is you.
How about you? I am Kuya Rizky, one of the pilot of Mr. Brewery. Are you sure this is me?
Yes, this is yours. Open it.
Let it open it. Wow.
Wow.
This is blue. Blue.
Okay, say thank you to Sir Amy and Sir Mario.
Ma'am Emily, ay Ma'am Emmy and Mario Paul.
Yeah.
I know you're from far away.
Wala na, iihi ako naman sa
I know some people will. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Can I get some?
Ulit. Tarararararan. Tarararararan. Tarirariraran. Tarararararan.
Hindi
Okay,
ako kahimik.
there's more. More.
And more.
Ayan. Okay.
This is Pina.
Yes, no. Ano, sweet and sour papaya. Sweet and sour. You taste it. Sweet and sour.
This is exactly to my age.
Accurate to your age.
There's no amlodipine. Losartan. Thank you, Ma'am Emily and Sir Mario Paule.
Okay.
Thank you, maraming salamat.
Sakit na likod ko.
Thank you po, maraming salamat po.
Okay. Oh.
Basta!
Yan. Tararariraran. Tarararararan. Tarirariraran. Tarararararan. Oops. Don't open. Please, say good afternoon to everybody. No, there's so many watching us.
Okay.
Especially in our union.
So need to-
give some hello or speak English, huh? Okay.
So need to speak in English. Okay.
Oh.
Thank you very much, Sir Mario and Ma'am Emmy, for this giving to me. I have 1,000 pesos. Thank you very much, Sir and Ma'am. That's it.
Yes. How
Okay.
about our viewers?
To all viewers,
There's so many viewers laughing, huh?
please
I'm very tired, so I'm very tired here. Very difficult to make a host and then you make happy. That's why you know what you do. sa mga nanonood din.
Of course, all the viewers and followers, once again, I love you so much and thank you for this.
And how about Inday Okray? What can you say?
About my sweet Inday Okray,
You?
I miss you.
Okay. There's more. There's more. Yan. And many more.
And many more.
I love this. My blood.
Yeah.
That's your favorite.
What do you call this? Where up?
Fermented papaya.
No sweet and sour papaya.
Sweet and sour. Okay, once again, Ma'am and Sir Mario and Ma'am Amy, thank you so much for your love.
Ayan.
And all my
Okay.
things. Okay, thank you.